This is all the stuff that I currently own, and it's too much. Now, this is something only as of recently that I've decided is an absolute priority because I'm tired of traveling like this. The 3-bag life is dead. I've been traveling around the world. I was in Kenya, then Hawaii. Now I'm currently in Peru, and I'll be in some other South American country after this. But I'm done with having 3 bags. So I'm taking my 3-bag life and minimizing it down to 2. 3 bags of stuff to literally live in, like long term. This isn't just a vacation for me. Isn't that much stuff, but it's too much stuff to carry around. Damn, this lens kind of makes your head look funny when you're up close. Wow, that's weird. Too close. Okay, this might seem excessive, and it kind of is. That's why I'm getting rid of some, but I travel with 5 bags currently. This is my camera bag. This one is a definite keep. This one is an awesome Osprey bag that I paid like $10 for maybe. And this is at least $150 bag. The straps zip up and go in here. This front side is really nice. It's super industrial, but I think I'm gonna get rid of that, but I'll tell you why in a second. This is a small day pack from REI. Also getting rid of this one. This is a bag that I bought in Australia. Partially the reason I'm getting rid of the other one is I paid $350 or something ridiculous for this one, 300 maybe. But the other reason is it's a little bit bigger, and this strap system is incredible. When you're walking, the straps actually like turn with you. I mean, look at this. These things literally go up and down as you walk. I don't know how this technology works in here, but it's incredible. This one, I've had this bag for like 6 years. This is my actual day pack. I have not used that other pack yet. That's why I'm getting rid of that one. But this North Face, I run in the mornings. I use it almost on a daily basis. This one's gotta stay. So I'm going from 5 bags, technically down to 2, but this one is gonna fit in the green one. Okay, bag sorted. Now it's time to get rid of some of my This one's hard. I've been wearing some of these hats for 4 or 5 years, but they're just a pain to travel with, and I gotta get rid of all of them. Isn't this time-lapse setup kind of cool? Ready? Time-lapse, up there. Time-lapse. Now I'm here. Now time-lapse. Now I'm here. Now time-lapse. I mean, that camera angle up there, come on. Time-lapse. Now, as a little bit of background knowledge on my travel life, because I think it's important here. I lived in a van for about 6 months, traveled around Australia. That was my first experience with like living and traveling all at the same time. And my word of advice for you is that start before you're ready. If you're thinking about going and traveling long term, but you feel like you have too much stuff, it's okay to have too much stuff on your first trip. I think we all will, and we all do. I had way too much stuff when we moved into the van, did a huge cut, probably 2 or 3 times of stuff while living in the van, and now I'm backpacking doing the same thing. So I've went through this process many times. So if you're worried about having too much stuff, that's okay. Start before you think you're ready and make adjustments on the road. I'm here currently making another adjustment. One's gotta go. You have to prioritize your stuff. What's more important? Something might feel like it's important to you and you want to have it, but what is more important? This one. Same way with this. I travel with a ton of hard drives, but this one is an older one. It's only 2 terabytes. I now have 2 terabyte solid state drives, which are even smaller, like this. This is a 1 terabyte, but look, it's much smaller. Plus then I keep this one in a case. This one I just keep out and slide it somewhere because I'm not as worried about this. There's no disc in this. So really we're comparing these sizes.
New X, new X, new X, new X, new X on me right. New X, new X, new X, new X, new X on me right. I might spin it, I might.
Now, a good way to go about prioritizing is just thinking about simply how much do you use something. If you haven't used it in like the last 60 days, you probably don't need it. It's probably just a thing that you think you need, but you obviously don't use, and eventually it's not gonna make the cut. So if you can cut it earlier, you'll be traveling with less. I think the bandana is gonna be the new swag to replace my hats. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Bandana, I got 2 of them. I love bandanas, but like this, ooh, I can turn it around. I could rock the POC.
I might spin it, I might spin it, I might spin it,
I don't think that works as well. I wish I had more containers just like this one to put big items like this inside of. And it's just an old hand sanitizer bottle. I'm tempted to just go to the store, buy a bunch of hand sanitizer bottles, pour out the hand sanitizer and put my own stuff in it. But honestly, it would kind of hurt my soul to just waste a bunch of hand sanitizer like that. So this is what I have for now. And there we go. The 2-bag life officially starts today. That's all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. Again, I'm Ryan Fila. I hope you got some value out of this video and it helped you think about how you're gonna minimize your next travels and get rid of some of the crap that you don't need. If you got some value out of this video, I'd appreciate it if you take the half a second to go down and like it. That helps me out a ton. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos on travel, self-development, and productivity on the road. I'll put a couple of their videos up right here that I think you might enjoy. But until next time, you try to live your dream, and hopefully I'll see you there. Peace.